If you want to close your Google Drive account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Data and Personalization. Once signed in, click on the Data and Personalization tab on the left side of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Delete a Service or Your Account option. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data section and click on Delete a Service or Your Account. Step 4. Select Delete Your Account. In the next menu, choose Delete Your Account. You may need to verify your identity by entering your password again. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Read the information provided about what will happen when you delete your account. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your Google Drive account. After completing these steps, your Google Drive account will be closed. Remember that this action is reversible, so ensure you have saved any necessary data before proceeding.